Let's analyze the Gator Base way versus traditional way, a project all done by hand with 2 teams of 2 men. Which team will win the battle? Let's start the clock. The project will start with excavation of both areas, Gator Base way in red and traditional way in black. The excavation of the Gator Base way is now finished. Let's level and compact the foundation. We are now ready for the Gator fabric, while the traditional team is still excavating. The Gator Base team is laying the 3/4 inch of bedding sand. The Gator Base team are laying the Gator Base, and the traditional team are starting on the Gator fabric. The Gator Base team are laying the pavers, and the traditional team are spreading and compacting the first layer of crushed stone. The Gator Base team is down to the edging, while the traditional team are compacting the second layer of crushed stone. While the traditional team are spreading the layer of sand, the Gator Base team are sweeping and compacting, watering the polymeric sand. The Gator Base way completed 57% faster, versus the traditional team still has to complete the bedding sand, install the pavers, install the edging, compact the pavers, sweep sand on the paver joints, compact the pavers, add new polymeric sand to fill the joints, remove excess sand, watering step process. What will you do for your next project? Join the Gator Base team and win!